In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell coins using CoinMarketCap, even as we venture into 2025. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the CoinMarketCap website. Type in the URL, coinmarketcap.com. This is your hub for all things cryptocurrency, offering detailed information on a vast array of digital coins. Once you're on the CoinMarketCap homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the search bar. Here, you want to enter the name of the coin you wish to sell. For our example, let's go with BNB, which is a popular cryptocurrency many traders are interested in. After you type in BNB and hit enter, a list of results will appear. You'll want to click on the correct coin to bring up its details page. This page is crucial as it provides all the information you'll need regarding that specific cryptocurrency. Next, take a moment to review the coin's information. You'll be able to see important data such as the current price of the coin. Having a grasp of the current market value will give you confidence in choosing the right time to sell. Alongside the price, take note of the coin's market cap. The market cap gives you a snapshot of the coin's total value within the market and can provide insights into its relative stability and potential for growth. Furthermore, do not overlook the coin's volume information. The trading volume indicates how much of the coin has been traded within a set period. Higher volumes can imply greater liquidity, which is beneficial for executing sales efficiently. Moving on, you should click on the More Information link, which will allow you to delve deeper into the specifics. Once the page loads, scroll down until you reach the section titled Markets. This part of the page showcases all the exchanges where your chosen coin is listed. Pay attention to exchanges with high liquidity and trust scores. These will typically offer the most reliable trading experiences. For our example, let's say you choose to trade BNB USDT. Review each option and select the one that aligns best with your preferences. Once you decide, clicking on this will take you to an exchange platform where you can execute the sale. Finally, you'll find an option labeled Sell. Click on that to initiate the process of selling your coins. Follow any additional steps provided by the exchange platform to complete your transaction. Remember, completing these transactions accurately ensures you make the most out of your investment. And there you have it. That's how you sell coins using CoinMarketCap in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer, staying informed and making use of these tools can greatly enhance your crypto trading experience. Happy trading!